आइए अब हम बात करते हैं हाउ टू इंजेक्ट दीज एग्स विद द डीएनए ऑफ इंटरेस्ट। अगर इस पिक्चर को देखिए, देयर इज द होल्डिंग पाइपेट, दिस वन, एंड दिस होल्डिंग पाइपेट held the embryo very carefully. And this arrangement is in such a way that we can see male pronucleus and female pronucleus separately. This one is our injecting needle or injecting syringe that contains the DNA of interest. Under the microscope, we need to see this condition, this situation, and we have to position the injection pipette directly in the line with and above the pronucleus. अब माइक्रोस्कोप में बार बार आपको देखने से इस चीज़ का ख्याल करना पड़ेगा कि कहीं पे आपका जो मेल प्रोन्यूक्लियस है वो किसी ऐसी साइड पे ना हो विच इज़ नॉट विजिबल और आप इसको प्रॉपरली इंजेक्ट ना कर सकें. वंस द थिंग्स आर इन अलाइनमेंट, देन वी प्रोसीड फर्दर and we move the injection tip slowly forward into the embryo and in the pronucleus. जैसे ही injection needle pronucleus में inject होती है, एक swelling सी appear होती है. Swelling इसलिए appear होती है that for the reason कि DNA is constantly coming out from that particular tip, and as soon as that swelling appears, that means the DNA is delivered in the male pronucleus, and we can carefully and we can immediately withdraw the injection pipette. इस तरीके से one by one we can inject all the embryos, and once we complete the count and we completely do the injection, we can remove the injected embryos from the depression slide, and we can proceed further and place them in a fresh drop of Whiten's medium for washing with a slight agitating action, because agitation से क्या होगा, washing will be proper. These embryos are then removed and placed in a fresh drop of Whiten's medium in a 10 centimeter plastic culture dish, which is replaced in the controlled environmental chamber, and now these eggs are ready to proceed further for transfer to the foster mothers. इस प्रोसेस को एक वीडियो क्लिप में हम देखते हैं that how we can do the micro injections. देखिए कैसे जो होल्डिंग पाइपेट है वो एग्स को होल्ड करती है और एम्ब्रियोज को होल्ड करती है, एंड देन अगर पोजीशन करना हो रीपोजिशन करती है. In the meantime, injecting needle is moving and is aligning itself and is injecting the DNA. और जैसे ही इंजेक्शन नीडल आपको विजिबली दिखा रही है कि एक बल्ज, एक प्रोसेस जो है वो क्रिएट कंप्लीट हुआ है. दिस इज द मेल प्रोन्यूक्लियस. द DNA is injected, which is visible in this clip like this, and then carefully we take it out, and by this we successfully injected the DNA of interest into the male pronucleus, and the eggs are now ready to be transferred to the foster mother.